IREN stock analysis and IREN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. And I'm telling you this because it's the truth and I've documented everything. So with IREN, zooming out, man, this is where we are. Honestly, like, this is so bullish. Like, I love it. I mean, after all, look at this. We're sitting at 8 at the time, looking to take it up from about 730-ish a month ago. And it, for your instance, FYI, it came down. 736 low and then started doing its thing. Now, I don't know, I mean, I'm just looking to double down on this, if you know what I mean. Like, this will look like something with these lines. And the only thing that I will care about is if the price pulls and gives me the confirmation. And if not, it's good. You know, there's no way that I'm going to look to just force buys. So if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.